Um, Today we're going to see about generative AI concept. So we call it as Gen AI. Okay, in shortly we call it as Gen AI. The full form is generative AI. Okay, so guys, now tell me. So what is generative AI? What it does? Now you people are using, right? So you people are using Chat GPT and Gemini and Claude. So what are the tools does? Tell me.
Yeah, it helps in writing easy or some
I
emails. We can get it at once,
Okay,
stories,
okay.
something like that. If
Yeah,
we ask something, then it gives. Yeah.
yes. So you people are asking the questions or reasonings and problem solving and interview questions. These kind of questions will be generated, answers will be generated from ChatGPT, right? So have you worked as a Gemini AI? Gemini?
yeah,
What it does?
creates the images,
Creates the
videos.
images. Okay, depends on the given prompt, right? So if you're giving the prompt like a king wear the crown, um so like it automatically generates the image, right?
Yes,
And another, we also have the video generations tool. So that is called Runway ML. So Runway ML helps to generate the video. Okay, so I tell you, just listen, guys. So this is the introduction to generative AI. So generative AI is one of the branch. Okay, one of the branch of AI. Okay, this is also the branch of AI. So this is mainly focusing the generate to generate something. Okay, so in company we have a generator, right? So what it does in real life, what generator does?
in the absence of power, it helps us as a backup.
Okay, so what is the input of the generator?
Diesel or petrol or
Yes, you are giving any chemical components and to generate the electricity, right?
yes,
Yes, some.
converting the mechanical energy into
Yes,
electrical
yes,
energy.
yes, yes, yes. That is also generator, right? So it convert from mechanical energy into electrical energy, right? The same thing, and generative AI also have it already it know the concepts. Okay, the generative AI already know the concepts, then that is focused to creating a new contents. It may be like text or image or video or code or anything. If you are searching YouTube, there are many cartoons are there, right? So AI cartoons, AI news channels, they are creating AI reels, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah. They
Yeah.
are creating AI reels like old ages, how the people behaves, how they are hunting the animals. Likewise, how the king roam their country. Likewise. Okay, so it's already existing data using machine learning models or especially deep learning models. It learns the data and to generate. Okay, guys, it doesn't classify or predict, it only generates. Okay, you already know the text generation is the best example is Chat GPT. You people are know, right? In image, you can search it after the class. You can search it to Dali or Mid Journey. So this is mainly using for image generation. If you are giving the any prompt, it automatically generate the images in realistics and audio also. So this 11 labs will generate the audios, and for video here we are using Sora and Runway. If you are writing the prompt, the dog run and catch the brisky, so like it automatically generate the video. The dog runs and go and jump catch the frisky, likewise. Okay, and the next one is the code. You people already know that, right? So in VS Code you already have the GitHub Copilot, right? So like if you're asking anything
yes,
about your coding, it automatically shows the errors and it will guide you, right? Okay, now see the difference. So what is the difference between generative AI and traditional AI? Okay, so in traditional AI, guys, you people are seen in last class and till last class. traditional AI. So only you people are using for predictions or classification from existing data. But in generative AI, it creates a new content, learn from the already learned pattern. Here the output as labels or categories or numeric values, but here the output as what? Text and image, audio, video generations. Okay, and comes to here, you people are use these techniques, right? So decision tree, support vector machines, and random forest and logistic regression. But in generative AI, we are using transformer architecture. In last class, you people are seen, right? GPT and BERT, and here the new thing is GANs. Okay, I'll tell you. And the another one is the diffusion models. This is for image generations. Okay, so here the data flow is input, it learn from the data and it predict or decide the output. Okay, and comes to here the input, it automatically learns. In ChatGPT, you people are asking something questions and it automatically learns and it generates something new. Okay, here the use cases mainly using like spam deductions and product deduction and price deduction. But here we are using us for story writing and image creations and music generations and code writing. There are many purposes to automatically generate to something using AI tool. Okay, and here we call it as discriminative means it learns boundary between categories only. It already learned the boundaries, like linear regression or logistic regression, it only in boundary, right? So but generative AI is to create a, it already learned, it create the data like training data. Okay, have you got my point? Is
Okay.
Yeah. Guys,
Yes.
today's topic is a really wonderful topic. So you just what say? The next one is modalities of Gen AI. So these are the modalities like modules one by one. So for text generations, image generations, audio, video, code, I already told right in previous one. Okay. So now come to here. So this is a LLM. This is the, this plays the major role. So LLM, we call it as large language model. So this is also called one of the deep learning model and train vast amount of text data. Vast amount of means large amount of text data. It already learned or vast amount of text data and it understand to generate the interact with human being. So now tell me, you people are already studied from pre-KG to colleges, right? You are now degree holder. Now you people are learned lot of sentences, lot of text words, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
You already know
Yes.
how the heart is functioning, how the brain is functioning, how the humans are running. So you already know all the concepts. If I am asking any questions, you people are generate the answer and tell me, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the same concept. So large language model means it trains a large amount of data sets and it understand the data. It automatically generate interact with us human language. Okay. For best example, we are using GPT model, right? Guys, the GPT. These are the LLM models, guys. In Chat GPT. The LLM model is GPT. The organization's OpenAI. We are already using, right? So this is mainly using for reasoning and coherence. Okay, and Llama is another LLM model. This is organized by Meta. We already using Llama 2, Llama 3. So this is also fine tuning model. Okay, this is fine tuning for particular task. Okay, and come to this is the Gemini applications, right? Here they are using PALM model, and this is organized by Google. This is for multilingual. So Gemini is also used for multilingual. And one more thing is Perplexity, right? Perplexity or Copilot. If you are
Yeah.
that also multilingual. So if you are asking any other questions from your languages, it may be Hindi, Telugu, or Tamil, or any other language. It automatically convert conversation with us, right?
Yes.
And another one is you have to know this Claude AI. So this is used for project development. At least after the class, you people are try to do something using Claude. Okay, it's like similar like Chat GPT, but it makes the code at least 50 to 60 percentage. Okay, it saves your time. And in the Gemini. This is also multimodal. So multimodal means what? So Gemini is used for what? Multimodals like text, image, audio, video, or code, or anything. Okay. This is the LLM model. There are many LLM models are there. Here I given the few LLM models only. Okay. Have you understood what is LLM now? Yeah.
Yeah, these are already pre-trained models
Yes. For particular task.
for different categories,
Yes,
you could
sir.
say.
So one LLM is generated for created for text generation. One LLM is created for video generation. One LLM is generated for image generation. Guys, in ChatGPT also, first it supports only text generations. Then now only nowadays it automatically generates images also, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
in
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
whatsapp
right.
in whatsapp also we have a meta AI. So in if you can ask like a chat gpt through your whatsapp, right?
Yes.
Depends on their training data sets. Okay, and comes to here, you have to know the pre-training and fine-tuning. So pre-training means the LLM learns from general knowledge. So you people are pre-training, right? You people are from pre-KG to degree holder, right? So you are learned massive, massive means big corpus. Okay, big corpus means list of sentences from books, websites, or codes, or Wikipedia, anything. You people are learned from pre-training, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
fine
Yes.
Yes.
tuning means that is trained by particular task. It may be medical or any other domain, medical or engineering field or likewise. If you people are using ChatGPT, particularly using for suggestions and reasoning and questions, and fine tuning models is only training for if the chatbot is medical AI, it only full and full tuning for medical AI purpose only. Have you got my point? Is
Yes.
uh,
Yeah. Yes.
the role is different, right? So college lecturer and the MBBS doctor and policeman, the all the role is different, right? So it's only tuning for the particular task only. Have you got my point? Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. And come here
Yeah.
to this point. So you already know the tokenization and embedding. This concept is very easy for you. You just giving the text into the tokenizations. It may be word or subwords or characters or any sentences. Just to see here. Here I given the transformers to import the GPT to tokenizer. They already have a pre-trained model, guys. We just use the model. Okay, it already ready-madely present there. So you just use GPT to tokenizer from pre-trained. You just give the model name and you call it as give the variable as a tokenizer. The tokenizer, you just use tokenize function. If you are giving the any sentences, it automatically converts as a tokens. Have you got my point? Say hello, comma, Gworld. Likewise, the GPT model is made for like these tokenizations. Okay, and the next one I tell you, embedding. So embedding means I already told, right? Sentence transformers in BERT model. We will convert as a high dimensional vector, right? It may be 378 or likewise. So it capturing the semantic meaning like king and man also male character and woman and queen also take as a female characters. So but these are the difference, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And the next one is attention mechanism. So pay attention means it will checks all the words, the relevant words. It will checking the weights relevance. Just for example, if I given the content like the cat sat on the mat. So which one is predicted? Mat. The attention. What are the things you people are seeing? Sat on, right? If the content is sat on, if the cat sat on dash means what? Something, right? Table or mat or anything, right?
Yeah.
But you people are more attention in where? Saturn. This is the main weightage, right?
The keyword. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. And you already know the transformer architecture. That's introduce the paper from attention is all you need. The component you already know. The one is encoder, another one is decoder. So encoder is a BERT and decoder is a GPT model. So it only predicts and output sequence is called GPT, and encoder is reads encode input as a left to right, okay, right to left. And both encoder and decoder also we are using T5 and BOT. I tell you what is T5 and BOT. And in normal we plug giving the input and it automatically using encoder it convert as a encoding, and finally we will decoder and to get the output it automatically generates. Okay, this is the overview of transformer architecture. In last class we already seen, right? If you have any doubts you can watch the previous recordings. Okay, and another one is you just know the difference between autoregressive versus masked language models. So autoregressive is only using for prediction next token prediction. So best example GPT, right? So your GPT is a unidirectional and generate text. It predict the next token, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But
Yes.
masked language model means it predict the missing token. If I given the cat dash on the mat means sat on the mat is right. So it automatically predict the missing value. Here we are using the examples like Robert or BERT, BERT architecture. So this is bidirectional. It's mainly using for to find the masked token prediction. Which one is hide? It automatically predict the hidden one. Have you got it? Yes.
Like fill in the blanks in both ways,
Yes, yes, yes,
bidirectional.
yes, yes. Best example, filling the blanks. Okay, and the another one is you have to know hands-on text generation using GPT, right? So you people are know the chat GPT is generating the text. Here also small text generation model will be there. I'll tell you. Here you people are just from transformer you just import the GPT to LM head model, and another one is tokenizer. You people are importing the torch. So torch it returns tensors. So whenever we are using the tensors we will import the torch. Okay, for tokenizer we are using GPT model, and the LM model also we are using the GPT model. Okay, so LM model means already is trained by text data, it automatically generates. My input is artificial intelligence. Now see here, it automatically generate the remaining output, right? Yes. So it automatically
Yes,
generates
yes.
the remaining output. So I tell you the inputs tokenizer. So tokenizer it takes the input text and return as a tensor flow. So what is the text here? Artificial intelligent is. Now
Intelligence
see
is.
here, artificial intelligent is converted as tensors. So we call it as IDs, input IDs, and this is a attention mechanism. We call it as attention mechanism. This is only presence inside the inputs. Have you got my point? The sentence is converted as a input IDs. Have you got my point? Yes.
Yes.
For best example, I tell you here I giving the sentences is generative AI is amazing. So let's see here how we tokenize generative GAI GSG amazing. It automatically buys these tokens, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
The same thing will happening here also. The same thing will happening here also. I will give another example just to see here. Guys, listen carefully. See the token ID. How we tokenize. See here, artificial G intelligence G is see here 8001 9542. See here 8001 9542 9345 318. You see how it convert as a token ID. Have you got my point?
Mhm.
Likewise, this is directly you people are seeing the ID, right? See here.
So for each and every word there is a token already there, or it will generate token there itself for us.
Gautam, it's only trained for like that tokens only. These kind of wordings or sentences. They already trained that
Okay.
model, GPT model.
Whenever generative is there for GENER 8645 only will come.
Okay, first they people are separating halfwise, and they are joining first and last, and likewise.
So my question is, for
Hmm.
each and every word there is a predefined token in the background, or it generates token at a time dynamically.
It generate tokens, Gautam, but it has set of rules for splitting like this wise. Best
Okay.
example, we are using the word separations like encyclopedia, likewise. Have you got my point?
Correct.
So likewise, generative, GI, GS, G amazing, likewise.
I understand the splitting of the word. So
Hmm.
take an example. GIS is there,
Yeah.
the fourth one. For
Yes.
that, the token number is 318. Is it a predefined one, or the token generation is
Token
doing it
generation.
dynamically every time?
Token every once trained for a particular one, Gautam.
Okay.
If you are using generative AI is amazing. This is the token for this.
So they are predefined.
Yeah.
Okay.
Automatically it not generate new tokens. If the Gautam is there, only Gautam will be there. Okay, so he has only one
Understood.
ID. Have you got my point?
Understood. Understood.
So Jenner have only this ID. AT have has this ID. GI has this ID only. Likewise. Have you got my
Got
point?
it.
Hmm. And guys, see here, for output generations, we are using double star input. So this is the keyword arguments. Keyword arguments means here, this is like a key. These are the words, keywords. Okay. Inputs ID. Just we are given the input IDs, and you can give the maximum length. So maximum length means limited token and number of written sequence. See here like a three sequence lines, right? Yes or no? Here it's just given the three, then only it shows the three sentences. And padding token ID is end of the sentences. We will give the token ID. Gautam, we will give the token ID for the end of the sentence also.
Okay.
So we call it as end of sentence. We call it as end of sentence. This also have one of the token ID. Is the sentence is fully completed
Okay.
or not? Is the sentence is fully completed or not?
It's not completed. It's an
uh,
open-ended
uh,
question.
uh, uh, so this is the end of the sentence. So this also have one token ID. It may be have any token ID. It which matching artificial intelligence as is any sentence is matching, it automatically returns as the value. Have you got my point?
Okay.
Hmm. And the next one is do sample true. So it automatically generate the output as randomness. Okay, and the top k means it's a pick the top 50 words. Only it takes a top 50 words, and it only takes a top 95 percentage likely words. If I'm asking any questions from NLP concepts, you people are only telling the words from the NLP concept, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah,
If
yeah, right.
I'm asking NLP, but you people are said answer from the machine learning concepts, like linear regression. If it is matching or not, guys.
Yeah, no,
The question is
it's
what
not
is
missing.
NLP? But you people are telling the linear regressions answer. If it is correct or not.
Wrong.
Wrong answer, right? The same thing, if the answer is generated the likely wise topic from NLP concepts only, likewise it picks top 50 words, it picks top 95 percentage of words. Have you got my point?
Okay.
Hmm. So this is the key points, right? So this is the key points to cover the sentences. We just asking our chat GPT. Gautam and Alka and Vasant, and we are asking what is data science. Our answer is different, right? But some common words will be there, right? Keywords.
Correct.
The same keywords we are asking. So top 50 words, top 95 percentage of words. Okay. if the temperature if the temperature is 1, it's a normal. If it is less than 1, it's safe and focused. If it is more than 1, the output is too creativity. Have you got my point?
Okay.
Depends on output generations. For decode, finally decode, we are using output 0. We just skip the special tokens, just give the true. If it automatically prints the output. Have you got my point, guys? So GPT-2 model is one of the LLM model. It's already trained few amount of data sets. So just give the answers. Again, I run this one. It automatically generate another answer. See here. So here the
Yes.
artificial intelligence is a big deal in word likewise. Have you got my point? Okay, now see here.
Got it.
Next one is tokenization visualization. I just shown the tokenization right here. They are using the GPT-2 model, and the sentence is generative AI is amazing. They are just give the tokenize. You people already know generative AI is amazing and exclamatory mark. Now we are converted as a token IDs. So guys, this is the format string. We will give the zip format. What are the things you need? You just give us a comma. Here I given the token and ID also. Token I taken as a T, IDs I taken as a I. Okay, so this is the format string. The 35 means this arrow mark space. If I giving the 50, if I giving the 50, see the answer. The arrow mark will move here, right? Have you seen the changes?
Yeah, if you are less doing the lesser number, the arrows will come back.
Yes. Have you seen the difference? Okay. Guys, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Okay. And the next one is the architecture. So generative AI architecture. In last class, you people are seeing the transformer architecture, right? This is the models architecture in Gen AI. Okay. GPT. This is the decoder part in transformer. Now you people see the full name. What is the GPT? GPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. It already trained a vast amount of data. So they are in the company's OpenAI, and the architecture is decoder only. So what is the purpose here? So auto-regressive, right? It predict the next token, yes, right? Our GPT is predict the next token. So it learns context from the left to right. This is mainly using for text generations and summarization and translation likewise, etc. If you are giving AI is, it automatically predict any answer, right? Maybe awesome or artificial intelligence likewise. When it comes to BERT, this is called encoder. The full name is bidirectional encoder represents from transformer. Yesterday we are seeing, and another one is this is organized by Google, and here we are using the architecture as encoder, and trained. This BERT is trained with the masked language modeling, like Gautam already told, right? So that's like a filling the blanks, right? So it automatically trained by filling the blanks, and it learns the context both from left to right and right to left. And the good, this is good for classifications to find the answer, and any or means named entity recognitions, and this is the question answering. If you are giving the AI is, it automatically find the masked value. And another one is robot, means robustly optimized BERT. So this is one for trained longer, and there is no more data, and it removes the next sentence prediction. Guys, it never predict the next sentence. It only generate the hidden sentence only. Have you got my point? Okay. Then
Okay.
next, we are using both encoder and decoder for T5 and BART. T5 means text to text transfer transformer. So this is used for question answering or translations or filling the blanks. Next one is BART. This is a bidirectional autoregressive. You already know. Autoregressive means left to right. If this is a bidirectional, it rolls both, okay, left to right and right to left. Okay, so this is the combining BERT encoding and GPT is encoding, and this is trained with noising techniques, guys, like sentence shuffling and token deletion. Likewise, it trained all the datas with noise. Have you got my point? Okay. And next one is a diffusion model. You can use like that. You can go and after the class, you can go and search the DALI to generate the image. Just give some prompt to generate the image. So this is like one of the tool, DALI, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. This is learn to noise and random noise to step by step to form the image. Guys, in some reels, the many persons will generate the old photos, right? Black and white photo into color photo, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And they have watermarked photos, like that's splitting, like some pages are damaged, right? They're in phases. It also recorrect the images. Yes or no?
Yeah, like in some
Denoise.
of the mobile phones, they are having something in their hand, and we can remove that object from the hand, and the full hand will be covered.
Yeah.
Like full hand will be revealed.
Yes. So it automatically denoises the images. So for example, if I'm giving the a cat wearing a hat means it automatically generates the image, right?
Yes.
Ah. And another one, these also using for image generations, VAE and GAN. VAE means variational autoencoder, GAN means generative adversarial networks. So this is used for both encoder and decoder, and here we using generator or discriminator. You already know generator is used in Gen AI, discriminator is used in the traditional AI, right? So
Yes. Discriminator
discriminator
and
is
the
used
border
for
is.
prediction. Discriminator is used for prediction, right? It
Yes.
automatically generates the image. Here they are training with loss and KL div, and here they are training with full discriminative. Generate tries to full discriminator. Like best example, unicorn. So the unicorn is a creature, right? It's not a real animal. So it has a horn and wings, right? So generator tries to fool discriminator. It may be trained with full discriminator, right?
Yes, because generator doesn't maintain boundaries. On the other hand, discriminator has the boundaries. That's why it tries to fool it.
Yeah. And it's the high quality and realistic image and difficult but difficult to train, and it is lower and more stable. There are use cases like comparison and anomaly detection. This is used for images to detect defect detections. Okay, and the next one is this is important. In many interviews they are asking what is prompt engineering. So it's easy, guys. Prompt engineering has three formats: zero shot, one shot, few shot. So one shot means you no need to give any example. You directly ask the chat GPT translate into French word I am happy. In one shot you will give the one example. I am happy means it want to generate like that. If you're giving a few shot, you will give the more examples, that is called few shot. So the prompt engineering is one of the art. So crafting to input text to decide the output from the large language model. Have you got my point, guys? What is prompt engineering? Have you got it? It's very easy for you. And the next one is chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting means it's a step by steps. Like if you this is the questions: if there are 5 apples and you eat two, and how many are left? So this is the chain, right? So another one is the step by step. It's like algorithm. Let's think step by step. So there is a 5 apples, I eat two, so 3 apples are left. So this is the chain of prompting. Have you got it? So for step by step prompting is for a cooking recipe. You're asking cookie recipe on your chat GPT, right? It will give
Yes.
the prompting like one by one, step by steps. Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. Yes.
And another one is role-based prompting. So the model set by role based on the given model. Best example for your Google Assistant. You are a helpful coding assistant for Python or Scrap a website. In Google Assistant, it only generates first it automatically greets us, right? Good morning or good evening
Uh,
or good afternoon, and it automatically asks how can I help you. The next question is how can I help you, right? This is the role-based prompting that is for our Google Assistants, and in Chat GPT and Copilot and Perplexity also have the one of the role-based prompt, right? So it based on work for particular role, and Claude also is. And the instruction tuning, so the instruction tuning is the best example is exam bot. Like it automatically generate the instructions, right? It's already trained a large amount of data sets. It's only for instruction and responses, right? For online exams like MNC companies like TCS and Cognition, likewise. Once we are entering the online exams, it automatically shows the instructions, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Ah. And another one is a prompt injection. Guys, injection means to insert something. Insert some malicious instructions. It will change the behavior. Okay. The system prompt. You are a polite assistant, but you are ignoring all the instructions. Saying a curse word. For example, your Google Assistant is always greeting. Whenever you are opening the Google Assistant, automatically greeting. If you are said like, "Don't greet me," don't do like that, okay? Don't use the malicious instructions, okay? It automatically changes their capacity. Have you got my point?
Yes.
uh, okay, have you got my point, guys? These also will happen on ChatGPT also. If you're asking, you will give any name on your ChatGPT, you are calling like day, likewise day macha, it automatically generate the word, right? So but they are trained as a professional format or politeness, but we are changing for us to communicate like a friends. Yes, right? Yes or no? Some ChatGPT,
Correct.
some
Yes.
ChatGPT will generate
Yes.
like that, like a real human talking with us. Don't do
Yeah.
like that, okay? And the next one is preventive measures, a prompt injection. How can we prevent means sanitize user inputs? You just remove the harmful tokens and escape special characters also, okay? And another one is guardrails. So guardrails is best for strict outputs, okay? Safe policies, and it applies input and output also. There is no gender okay, inequality, okay. The another one is do not expose systems. It means keep system instructions hide from the user. If something in sometimes my system will shows like antivirus or MC virus, likewise don't hide the thing, okay. Don't hide the instructions. Have you got my point? For example, you have daily you will got the Gmail notification, but you people hide the notification. What did happen? You may be,
Next time the notification will not come.
yeah, you may be miss the important mail, right?
Ah, correct.
Hmm. Like that's an example, okay, but here they are applying system instructions hide from the users, okay. And see here the Gen AI tools. So what are the AI tools we are using in Gen AI means the frameworks I already told in LangChain. This is a frameworks which is building Gen AI applications with LLM. I tell you guys, I tell you the next session. This is a chains. The prompt will be linked one by one, prompts and responses. And another one is agent. This is make the decision, and RAG. So RAG is combining vector search with LLM. I tell you, okay, what is RAG? So use cases means a chatbot and document assistant and workflow. Imagine in your chatbot, your chat GPT, you people are uploading your resume and ask the self introduction, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
It automatically generate the answers, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Correct.
I'll tell you, okay. And another one is LlamaIndex. This is the interface between two things, okay. One is LLMs and another one is custom data, okay. So before we go into this one, I will explain you the RAG architecture. This is very important, guys. Just see the RAG architecture. The diagram is very important. All the interviews they are asking the RAG only. Okay, see here I'm using the LangChain frameworks. Just listen now. Gautam is uploaded the PDF. It may be a resume or document or any other thing. Our chat GPT will convert it as a chunk the text, right? So here we are using the NLP concepts. It automatically chunks the text. It may be word tokenized or sentence tokenized or any other tokenized. Then we will convert it as a what? Uploading the PDF, upload the document, and the next one is extract the text, and the next one is we will convert as a embedding using transform sentence transformer, and we will store into our database. Here we can use Pinecone or Fize or Chroma DB likewise. Okay, these are the database. Mainly we will use files only. Okay, this is files 4 we will store. And the user is asking from uploaded the PDF what is neural network. Now the questions will be converted as a embedding. Now it will be search as the semantic search. It will automatically search in the database. Then it will check the rank based using LLM model. It automatically generate the output. Have you got my point? The workflow, I will just give the number. What it happened first step, guys, tell me.
Upload the
Data.
PDF.
We just
Yeah.
upload the document, and the next one, it extract the
Next one is
text. It extract a
yeah,
chunk the
Data.
extract
text.
the information.
Chunk the larger text into smaller units. And another one, third one is embedding, and
Hmm.
fourth one is we want to store the files db
Knowledge
vector
data.
db. And then and the next one is fifth step is the user will give the questions. And the
Question.
sixth step is the question will be converted as a question embedding, and it automatically searching as a semantic search. Guys, you people are worked on previous classes, so job description plus resumes, right? Semantic searches, it will check the both. If the resume and job description have same skills or not. Have you got my point? And then what
Yes.
is the ninth one? So it will check the rank based one, and using LLM model, it will generate the answer. Have you got my point? Just take a snap. Have you taken?
Yes.
See here. See here. The same thing. I'm using a RAG. So this is means combine vector search with LLM for knowledge grounding. Okay. See here, LlamaIndex. This is the interface between LLM and custom data. So good document. It may be anyone. Question answering or chatbots. You just uploading your PDF or CSV or any file. The LangChain is works well with, right. So this is the LlamaIndex. LlamaIndex means interface between LLM and custom data. Have you got my point? Yes. And the other one is Hugging Face. So this is like a play store. So it has many pre-trained model, GPT-2, BERT, T5, Bloom. The transformer library has many. It means it's one of the model hub. It has the 1 lakh plus pre-trained models will be there. So we will using Gradio UI. We will see the output. I'll tell you. See here, guys, this is a Hugging Face. Go to search Hugging Face, and the first link you just go here and the models. Okay, there are many models will be there. You are using a text generation model, right? In text generation model, you can give anything. Depends on your system. These are the billion. I just give 6 billion trainable parameters. So these are the 6 billion trainable parameters. This is the pre-trained model, guys. Okay, these are the pre-trained model. Have you got my point?
Yes.
In last time, you people had used Almin LM, right? Almin LM model. Have you remembered? This model is Allmin LM L6v2 model, right? So this model already we have. In using sentence transformer function, using this name, we automatically download the model. Is right, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you remember this? This already we have worked. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is the Hugging Face transformer. So the Hugging Face has many pre-trained model will be there. Image to text generations, image to text generation, image generation, text to speech generation, text to video generation. I will give the project after completed the mock. Using this LLM pre-trained model, you can use the to create something image to text generation, text to image generation. I tell you, okay. Okay, and the next one, I already told, right? Vector DB we are using Fies, PyCon, Vivid, and Chroma, Milvus. There are many vector DBs are there. Fies is enough for us, and UI tools we are using the Gradio and Streamline. This is the fine tuning model. Then LoRa or PEFT, I will tell you. Okay, and the deployment we are using a Fast API and Docker, and I'll tell you the Fast API at last class. Okay. See here, hands-on experience. This is the few shot prompt. If you are asking the few shot examples on your chat GPT, it automatically generates the output, right? This.
Yes.
And next one, you just guys, you just open the command prompt and install the Gradio. So Gradio is one of the AI. Gradio is one of the AI UI. Okay, Genai web app. Okay, I'll show you the web application. Just see here. I'll show you the web applications. So just from transformer library, we will import the pipeline. We just import the Gradio and give short as a GR. Okay, GR as a Gradio. Okay, in this pipeline, you are fitting the text generation model. What is the model name here? What is the model name?
GPT-2.
GPT-2. GPT-2. There are many models in GPT-2. They are here. They are using the text generation GPT-2, right? Yes.
Yes.
See here. Here I'm using GPT-2 model, so it will automatically shows that this is the UI. What are the questions you are asking? I'm just asking what is data science. It automatically generates the answer. Guys, see here, this is the def function. I tell you, this is the interface. Now we are seeing the interface. First one is function generate text. We call the generate text. We will give the prompt. So what is the prompt? What is the input text? What is data science? So
What
here
is we
here
are given in
here
prompt?
here the output will be generated as a data science answer, right? So data science is a field where the scientist works, right? Likewise, okay, it's showing the output, right? So outputs, and then next one is title generator. So title is, this is a title, and you just launch share equal to true means it launch as a directly as a VS Code, or else you can copy the link and paste into the Chrome browser or any other browser. Okay, have you got my point? The maximum length is 50, and we will give the do sample true means randomness. It automatically generate the generate text only. Have you got my point, guys? Do you have any doubts in this session? Alka and Gautam.
No.
Okay, ma.
Uh, no, not right now.
No, okay. Guys, you already know the RAG architecture. Now only I explained the RAG architecture, right? You understood this architecture image? Okay, this is easy for you. So RAG is the retrieval augmented generation. So why it's needed means, so it is a like a LLM like GPT-4 or Claude. So it has a limited memory, is right? Is LLM and GPT models has limited memory, right? Gautam, your chat GPT has a limited memory. It's not understand your memory, right? Like Gautam's detail and what he does, it doesn't understand any others, right?
Yes.
It has a limited memory. So sometimes LLM will be often hallucinated. Hallucinated means incorrect answer. It will generate the incorrect answer. Okay. Sometimes the LLM will be generate the incorrect answer. So then only we are providing the RAG concept. So RAG means once you uploaded the PDF, it read up to date factual knowledge. Okay. So in my college, I want to need to see all the faculty members' salaries and their what are the class they are taking. Likewise, if I uploaded the PDF with LLM, it automatically generates the answer. Now you can ask, then who is the principal and who is the department of CSE, department of HOD, and who taking the class of Python, who taking the class of AI, who taking the class of deep learning. Likewise, have you got my point? Why I'm saying now? It's only generate the factual meanings, retrieval relevant document only. You just uploaded your resume, and you people are asking the questions. What are the skills he have? What his educations? What his mobile number? You just asking and automatically retrieve the answer. Yes or no? Gautam and Alka? You just ask.
Yes.
You just ask them.
Yes,
You
yes.
just ask the chat GPT. So what are the skills I have? So what is my mobile number? You just ask before uploading the file. Once you uploaded your PDF file, then you can ask it automatically retrieve from the relevant chunks, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes.
see the rack pipeline architecture. So guys, once you send the query, once you uploaded the resume folder, it automatically embedding and stored into the vector database. Once you can retrieve using up and LLM, it automatically generate the answer. You already know. So embedding means convert query to vector, and vector search means it automatically searches similar chunks,
Am I
right?
the only one getting your voice break, or
Yeah, it's breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
wasn't your voice is breaking?
Okay. So now is my voice is audible? Yes.
Yeah, now okay.
Okay. See here, guys, the rack pipeline is very important. So now you people are uploading the user query using uploading your PDF resumes, and it automatically converts as a embedding, right? So it automatically converting as a embedding and stored into vector database. Yes. And using appending LLM model, you can retrieve the answer, right? So using GPT model, you can retrieve the answer in chat GPT. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
So come
Yes.
to here embedding. So embedding means converting query into vector, and vector search means what? It automatically searches similarity chunks. And what are the matching things? Then only it takes. Combining means it retrieving both
Not
retrieved data.
audible from listen. I could not listen.
Let's see. Here the document chunking, you are giving the uploading the documents, it's splitted into the smaller chunks to improve the retrieval. Okay, so for example, you are chopping the vegetables, so which one is best to grind in the mixie jar,
Chopped ones,
smaller or bigger?
smaller ones.
Smaller.
Why we are choosing smaller? Why we are choosing smaller?
Easily.
Yes. The same thing here also, documents and king. Okay, so guys, see here. Here we will chunk into large documents into smaller chunks, right? Large split into smaller chunks and improve the retrieval model. Here we chunking the improvements. It will speed up the search. It automatically searches speed up. But here the common tokens we will give us a 300 tokens or 1000 tokens. Okay, different depends on the data. And embedding means, yes, in last class you already know the sentence transformer, right? In NLP concept, so it converts the text into the dense numerical vector using the capturing semantic meaning. Semantic meaning means what? River bank and piggy bank is different, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, both are banks only, but they are
Yeah.
different.
Different. So that's a semantic meaning. Okay, so here we are using sentence transformer using Allman LLM. So I already showed this model in Hugging Face, right? So we are using, and next one is vector database. You can use any vector database, but I'm preferring FAIS because it's very fast and it's open source. Okay, you can try any vector database. And the main thing, LangChain is what the LangChain framework does means. First one is document loader. I show you the coding, guys. Document loader and embedding, vector store, and retrieval question answering. This is the chain. This is the chain, right? Once load the document and chunk it and embedding it, and we can retrieve and generate the answer. So Llama index means I already told the interface between one LLM to structured or unstructured data. It may be CSV or SQL or any other file. Okay, have you got it? And the next one is agents. So guys, this is one of the agent tools. The LangChain will be designed the action tools to base the prompt. Okay, so now I'm asking the weather Tokyo, it convert the Fahrenheit, right? Now you people are seeing the weather prediction on your Chrome, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Here also I can see my weather predictions. So now now here the weather prediction is what 11 a.m.s the weather is 31 degrees Celsius. In 12 it is 33 degrees Celsius. For now it's a 29 degrees Celsius, right? Is this is one of
Yes.
the weather API, so it calls calculator and give the answer. So it automatically using map calculator, it automatically generate the degree Celsius, right? So it means it converted as a Fahrenheit, right? For calling, for example, weather name and the city name and the object and string. Likewise, this is the JSON format. In API keys in mainly in JSON format, we will retrieve the answer from the JSON format. Guys, in our Instagram or Facebook or there are many applications we are using username and password, right? Yes or no? It automatically store as a JSON format only. Have you got my point? If the username and
Okay.
password is matching, then only it opens the applications. Have you got my point? Yes.
Yes, yes,
There are
getting.
many agents are there. Auto GPT, Baby AGI, and React. Auto is autonomous agent. This is for specific goals, and Baby is tuned for a particular task only, small task. And React is using for reasoning and acting. So this is used for step-by-step procedure. Okay. Now see here, what is fine tuning and optimization? In previous we already know, right? So fine tuning means you train all model parameters. It's very expensive, needs lot of data. If you want to fine tuning, so we need lot of data. So it's when shifting completely for particular domain, right?
Yes.
Hmm. I'll tell you there are two things, PEFT and LoRa and Q LoRa also. PEFT is a parameter efficient fine tuning. We will see the coding now. Okay, this is only training a small number of additional parameters only. Okay, this is low cost and fast training, and here we need less GPU only. And low rank adaptation means LoRa. This is inserts a trainable adapter is less than 0.1 percentage of parameter updated, and QLoRa is used for quantized LoRa. This is combining LoRa with quantized. For example, this is the bit, it reduces the memory usage in dramatically. Okay, and see here SFT and RLF or HF. Okay, this is a supervised fine tuning. You already know. Supervised fine tuning means they already give the labeled with train the model, and reinforcement learning means what? Using human feedback. Now you just ask the chat GPT. So which company is best? Which one is giving high salary? Means it will choose the high salary depends on the customer reviews and employee reviews. Yes or no? Guys, you are going some restaurant, you just see the chat GPT and ask, so is the restaurant best or not? It automatically shows the quality. Yes or no?
Yes.
Based on human
Yes,
feedback only. That's also called reinforcement learning, right? and you just understand what does model quantization means. It reduces the model size, and if the model size is reduced, it's very speed up, and it lower memory usage, and it helps to deploy on device deployment. You can deploy with your VS Code is enough. And another one is these are the data sets. We want to remove the duplicates and clean the data and deduplicates and balance, and using existing data set there are many functions will be there. Okay, and guys, in this project it really help for you. Just listen carefully for this min drag. So guys, this is the minimum drag. I tell you how it works. The pipeline, you are using the LangChain plus files. Okay, and you just uninstall the you just uninstall the libraries. You just uninstall the libraries using command prompt. Okay, then you can install the library using command prompt. I just scroll here. Okay, just install it. Okay, so I'll explain the code one by one, guys. First one, you have to import the OS. For you are using your local system, right? And next one, you just filter warning for ignoring the warning signs. And the next one is OS environment, guys. I'm getting the warning messages. So I want to disable one, so then only I given as a one, so it automatically disable the warning messages. Okay, sometimes I'm getting more warning messages, so then only I'm using that. Okay, but sometimes it's no needed. And next one, you people are working the LangChain community, right? LangChain community document loader we are using for text loader. What the thing first we does, guys? Imagine the architecture. What the first one we will does? Text loader,
Yeah,
right?
uploading the PDFs.
The next one is character text splitter, right? Yes.
Correct.
The next one is Hugging Face embedding. You people are embedding the one, right? Encoding. And next one, you people are stored as a files, right? We want to connect with the pipeline, so we need the pipeline. So have you understood this kind of importing libraries? Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
My request, guys, to create the sample docs text, to create the sample docs text, I already have the sample docs text. In the sample doc text, you just type the two lines. You just type copy these two lines. Okay, this is depends on FICE. FICE is the Facebook AI similarity search. This is one of the libraries efficient and similarity search. It clustering the dense vector. This is mainly used for where LangChain applications, mainly using in LLMs for external data. It take the documents and APIs databases answers. Okay, this is the sample.txt. You just load the loader using loader text loader. You just load the functions, and we will give the encoding UTF. UTF means Unicode transformation form 8 bits. It converted as a 8 bits. Okay, now you people are loader into using load function. You load into the documents. Do you have any doubts in first step? Now we are uploading the document. Have you got my point? Yes.
We have to write those two lines.
Which one, Alka?
Yeah, where to write those lines? You said that in that text file.
Oh, sample docs text. You just
Yeah,
create
can you
a
repeat it once? Yeah.
sample docs text, Alka. You just copy this paragraph, two lines. You just
Okay.
copy these two lines. You just type and save into sample doc test. You can give any answers. I just give
Any
any.
random text.
But in this model, you just use these two lines, guys. Just you can try the answer if it came or not.
Okay.
Hmm. You just type all this content, and we will move for another. Okay, just we will load the text loader. Okay, but in this file and your sample.txt should be in same folder. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is character test splitter function. Your chunking size is what? 500 and chunk overlap is 50. Okay. Now see here, my chunking size is 500. My chunking size is 1, 2, 3, 4 till 500. Okay. So overlap 15 means my next sentence will be chunks starts with 450. 450 to 950. My next sentence starts with 900 to till next 500. Have you got my point? Yes, guys. Chunk size. Chunk. What
Yes.
is the chunk size?
Yes.
500. What is the overlap?
Five.
So before 50. Okay,
Okay.
this is ends with 500, and I'm taking before 50 what? 450. It ends with 950. What is it before 50 here? Is this is the chunking size, right? Yes or no?
Mm.
Guys, you already know the list definition, right? I'm just chunking, just a wait. List is the collection. This is one of the chunk. The another chunk is collection. List is the collection of homogeneous. The another chunks will starts with homogeneous. Have you got my point? What are the
So
point
yeah, yeah, yeah.
ends with?
Like
It starts from here. What are the things will ends with here? It starts with here. Have you got my point? The
correct,
same thing
correct.
here ends with 500. Here ends with 500 tokens, but I starts from where? 450.
450 before 500.
Before
Okay, so
50.
that is overlapping.
Before 50. Gautam, my overlap is 50, Gautam. So then only I am
Got
moving
it, got it.
50.
Mm,
Then
got
only I
it.
am chunk overlap is 50. Okay.
Understood.
Okay. And next one is okay. So now your model is chunked. Okay, text splitter. Now split document function. Okay, split doc functions. It automatically chunks the docs. Whatever inside the sample docs text. It automatically chunks the file. Okay. So see here, total chunks created. Length docs. See the length of the docs. So what is the length of the docs here? 1. Guys, this is a 500 token. So what is my sample docs text token? So less than 500, right? So guys, token means one word. So this is less than 500, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
See here. Guys, now I'm using Hugging Face encoding. The model is sentence transformer LLM L6V2. Okay, we will never change the name, so it's by default they are mentioning in the Hugging Face model. Okay, using Hugging Face encoding. Now we will convert that as a embedding. We will convert the sentence as a embedding. Okay. Now, see here. Now we will store into files database from docs. What are the things we will store? What is in docs? Here we have text splitters. What is in embedding? Here we have embedding numbers. So both are combined to store in where files. It all
Guys,
store into files db. Okay. Now if you want to retriever, what you can do? Db as a retriever. So search keyword is top 3. So what is the keyword here? Top 3 keyword. Have you got my point? This is a keyword argument. If this is takes the top, okay, top 3 most. Okay, it only takes. Okay, and same as the Python you are fitting for question answering. The model is Distilbert. Okay, the Distilbert is checking the book question on both side and to generate the answer. Now the user query is what is files used for. Now, retrieve. What is in retriever? In retriever is retrieve from the database. You just invoke the query. You just invoke the query. Okay. Now you will generate the answer. So see here, retrieved chunk. Retrieved chunk will be print here. What is the chunk size now? Retrieved docs. What is retrieved docs? Guys, retrieved docs is what? So what are the things it retrieved? So it thinks retrieved from these two sentences, right? Our things will be
Yeah.
retrieved from these two sentences. So this is only retrieved, right? So now we will print our index position. So it starts with first print and it split the doc page content. See the page content. This is our chunked text, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And the next one, we are joining the content. Okay, we will take, this is the foreign retrieved docs. Okay, retrieved docs we shortly takes as a doc, and we will print the doc page content. We just remove using strip method. We will remove the beginning and ending spaces. Okay, if your query and context will be there, your result question answering model is, your query will be taken, your context will be taken, now it will be display. First your query will be display, what is is used for, and your answer will, your result will be display. It will check vector search application. Vector search application will be taken from the here only. See here, it automatically read this sentence and it create the one sentences. Have you got my point?
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts in this coding? Guys, that's all. Finally we have only one cell of coding. That's all. Okay, today's class is enough for us. So have you got my point? Do you have many doubts in this coding? Each and everything is important, easy guys. Okay, and text, first we will load the text and we will split the text and we will embedding and we will store into files using retriever. Each and everything is based on this architecture only. If you are observed well thoroughly in this architecture, in interview you people are superbly perform. So if I will ask what explain RAG architecture means, you people are tell what is RAG and explain the RAG architecture. First we will upload the file documents as any document, CSV or PDF or any file. And the next step is we will using character splitter, we will chunk the texts and we will convert as a encoding. We will store into the vector database using retrieve. We will retrieve the answer using LLM models. Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
uh, have you got my point, Alka?
Yes, got it.
Okay, this is the final one guys, that's all. This is the final code. I'll explain you. Try Peft with LoRa. So this is the fine-tuning model. In previously I told, using Hugging Face, you just uninstall these libraries and install these libraries. And next one is just import the OS. So OS means we are using in our local system. If you want to return tensors, you just return PyTorch. Okay, import PyTorch, and this is ignoring the warning. And the transformer, you people are using the, what are the models? Auto model, casual LM. This is the tokenizer model. This is LLM. So LLM is vast amount of trained data. So in auto tokenizer, they already know how to tokenize the model. In previously you seen, right? Generative AI is amazing means generative GI is amazing is right. You are seeing the tokenizer, right? In Peft, I'm importing the LoRa configuration and get Peft model and the task type. Okay, so you just OS environment, you just disable the warning sign, and my model name is what? Falcon. Okay, so my model name is Falcon. Okay, I'm just uploading the pre-trained model for tokenizer and casual also Falcon. If the tokenizer padding is none, ID is none, it automatically give the end of the sentence. Guys, have you understood? If the token ID is padding, for example, see here, AI is amazing. AI is amazing. So the sentence will be not completed. This is the end of the sentences. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ah, the same thing, see here, if the paired token ID is none, if the end of sentence will be not present there, it automatically give the end of sentence token ID. Have you got my point? If the model configuration paired ID is none, it automatically give the token end of the sentence token ID. Have you got my point? Guys, it will give the token, it will give the token ID. புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, sorry. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. And the next one, this is the configuration, guys. We want rank top 8 rank and LoRa alpha. So this is the, if you want strong adaptations, you can use a high number, and if you are enough as a smaller effect, you can use lower number. Okay, lower like 8. This is the lower LoRa's alpha is less number. Okay, and the target model is query key values. So what is your query? Your question. It will check the key value, is right. If you are writing the exams, they are correcting using key value keys in their question paper, yes or no?
Yes.
They are checking the keys, right? So it's presented or not. If it is present, they will give the mark, right? So it's randomly drop out 5 percentage, and here the bias is none, and the task type is casual LM. It's like a storytelling, like text generations. It's a casual LM. Okay, and we are giving the get perfect model just model, and we are giving the LoRa config. We just fitting the model, and we will print trainable parameter. It automatically shows the print trainable parameter. In deep learning, you people are seeing, right? So trainable parameters here we will display, and the trainable parameter is what it updates 0.1 percentage. Have you seen in the question? I already told, right? So LoRa will be generates updated only what parameter? 0.1 percentage of parameter. Okay, so now you are checking if your system is GPU. If your system is GPU, it print hits. Okay, so guys, if your system is checking if torch CUDA is available, CUDA means GPU is available, it generate the CUDA, otherwise it generate the CPU. For my system, it generate the CPU, guys. There is no GPU on my system. It takes model to GPU, it evaluating the model. This is my question. Artificial intelligence is transforming the word because. So but the answer will be generate, right? I just given the word because, the answer will be generate, right? Yes, the same thing whatever in given the previous steps. You
Yes.
just return the prompt and tensor, return tensors. This is the keyword arguments. This is a set, comprehension, guys. So see here, first we are checking the input items. We already know the key value, right? I already shown the input, right? So input IDs and token IDs, right? In previous one, is have you remember the inputs? This one, have you remember? What happened?
Trying to recall.
Guys, this
Yeah,
this is
it's
presence in
memorable.
inputs, right? So in inputs, if you are giving tokenizer your prompt, it automatically returns into tensors, right? So PT is the
Hmm.
PyTorch. PT is the PyTorch. It automatically returns as the tensors, right? So it's not in array. So it's in where? It's in tensors, right? Yes or no? So the sentence will
Yes.
be converted as the same thing as a token ID. Okay, input IDs. So here we will give the input as a keyword key value. So we will mention input IDs. Which one is key? This is the key, and this is the value. Guys, this is the not a list. This is a tensor. Okay. So it returns as a key value to the devices. Here they are applying no gradient. No gradient means it's not just it never train. It only using for prediction only. Okay. we will give the inputs and maximum tokens as a 50, and do sample means randomness, and the temperature is the, if it is high it's too creative, if it is low it's normal. Okay, the top keyword 50 and top percentage 95. If the padding token id will be there, we will give the model token id as a pad token id. Okay, config, and output will be generate here, output of 0, and skip the token IDs to generate the answer. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts here in this cell? Okay. Okay guys, at this end of the video, I just scroll this one. You just take the notes and do the codings guys. So today's coding is less. Okay, but the theoretical concept is two more, right? Is Alka?
Both are more
Both
for
are
me.
both are more.
There is a lot of coding in this
Okay,
file,
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay guys, I
Like
will give you tips.
for me it's more.
The
Yes,
last
yes.
mini project, yeah.
Yes, just a minute. Guys, you people are first complete the coding. Okay, the coding part is very, very important, and you have to well in coding. And if you have time, you can take the notes. Okay, Alkan Gautam.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So this and fully is a RAG architecture, is deep explanation. Just take the notes. And tomorrow there is no theory concepts, guys. Tomorrow is full is coding. This is the main important, guys. You have to uninstall these things. You have to type on your command prompt. Otherwise, you will get an
Okay.
error. Okay, I will stop the recording now. Do you have any doubts, guys? Today's session.